Cow's water is full and clean. And even though I got bitten by just there a scorpion this morning, I've gone around and chopped down all the thistle bushes. If you can see to the left of that, poles and stuff, it's quite the pile. I've got 45 seconds to get there, so let's see if I can. Oh, missed that one. But it's in a lot of pain. Cleared them away from the gate so the animals can get in and out safely. Still got 30 seconds. And look, this is the pile I made. With a screwed up left hand, because it is aching like crazy. Not bad, eh? See, and all around. No more milk thistle.